isa sa pinakadako na crowd na natubang ko sa mga activities naman. So, pinapakita nyo din na remember that success is never achieved overnight. It requires hard work, patience, and perseverance. Project Hope is here to help you with the proper guidance, support, and tools that you need.
Avance negrense, kagsuk ala.